Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to learn PowerShell installation on a different operating system in this video. To install PowerShell on Windows operating system, you don't need to be installed PowerShell on Windows operating system because it is pre-installed in Windows 2007 and above. Let's see how to install PowerShell on a Linux operating system. To install PowerShell on Linux operating system, you need to be a download package on your Linux operating system. There are different packages available through which you can install PowerShell. First one is a repository package. Second is a binary archive package. Third is a RPM package through which you can install the PowerShell on a Linux operating system. There are 5-step process to install PowerShell using a binary archive package. This is first step to install PowerShell. First, you have to create a target folder on which you can place your PowerShell. Then you have to download the archive package. This is the URL through which you can download, and this is your path where you will save all the archives. And then you have to be extract. So this is the command through which you can extract at this location. And third, you have to give execution permission to this file. Last one command, that is a sudo ln-s, means you have to create a soft link for pwsh to making a point. So this is my Linux operating system on which we are going to be follow that is step to install PowerShell. So I have copied that step here in text file. So I am going to be follow this step. First we have to be create a directory. So just copy and hit enter. So I have created the directory. First one is a Microsoft, second is a PowerShell, third is a 7. So these folder we have created. Now next step is to download the package, that is a archive package. I'm going to be download this package. So just hit enter, or you can use other command also instead of a curl, that is a wget, right? So just hit enter. So that has been downloaded. Done. Third step, extraction step, right? So now we are going to be extract. Hit enter. So extraction portion has done. The fourth step is to giving the permission, execution permission. Just copy, hit and run. So that also done. And copy to create a soft link. Hit enter. That's soft link has created. To start PowerShell, we have to be type the command pwsh. So hit enter. So now PowerShell has been installed successfully. Now you can see which version is available. Version 7.3.1 is available. So if you want to be run a PowerShell command, you can run that. So there is a very famous command, that get hyphen process, right? Get hyphen process, hit enter. So now you can see all the process which is running currently, right? So you can also run write hyphen host, and inside that hello world. So now everything is running perfectly. Exit from this shell. So sudo yum install, and this is your RPM package, right? So through which you can install easily on a Linux operating system. Let's see one step process to install PowerShell on a Linux. Just copy and paste here. And this is the command through which you can install the PowerShell. So now you can see sudo yum install and the path of your RPM package. Just hit enter. Type by, hit enter. The PowerShell has been installed successfully. Let's start the PowerShell PWSS to start PowerShell. Hit enter. Now you can see you have a PowerShell console. So let's run command get hyphen process. Hit enter. Write host and hit enter. So this is a very simple step to install PowerShell on a Linux operating system. Open your browsers and search here PowerShell installation on Linux. Hit enter. You will find this link, open it. So this is a page. Here you will find the all step to install a PowerShell on a Linux operating system, right? Just scroll down and now you can see Alpine. On Alpine only 7.2 and 7.3 version is supported, so you can install only these versions. On Debians you have a 7.2 and 7.3. These are the versions you can install on a Debians. And Red Hat Linux you can also same versions you can install on a Red Hat Linux, right? And Ubuntu same version you can install 7.2 and 7.3 of a PowerShell you can install on Ubuntu, right? And Raspberry Pis. And you can see here right hand side there is a installing on a Red Hat Linux or installing on a Debian on Alpine. So on which Linux distribution you want to be installed a PowerShell. So in my case I'm going to be use a Red Hat Linux, so I'll just click on it and you will find the first method through which you can install your PowerShell on a Red Hat Linux operating system. That is a package repository. So package repository, using a package repository. So this is the first method through which you can install the PowerShell on a Linux operating system. That is a package repository. You just have to follow this step. This is a two-step process to install a PowerShell on a Linux operating system. First you have to be download and then you have to be installed. Then third is a to start the PowerShell. And when you can scroll down, you can see there is a different step, that is a two-step process to installing a PowerShell on a Red Hat Linux 8. And there is a another second method to installing a PowerShell on a Linux operating system using a RPM package. So now you can see there is a different PowerShell version. So now you can see here. So for 7.3.0 you have to be use this RPM package. For 7.2.7 you have to be use this RPM package. For 7.0.13 you have to be use a this package. So there is a single line command, so you can also install a PowerShell using a single line. So you can also prefer this method to install a PowerShell on a Linux, right? So if you are using Red Hat, so you can also use for that single line command. So for uninstallation, there is a command to sudo yum remove PowerShell, right? And if you want to be installed a PowerShell on a Ubuntu operating system, so you just click on it and you will find the step. These are the 5-step process to install a PowerShell on a Ubuntu, right? So now you can see there is a different kind of versions of Ubuntu. So 22.0, 20.04, 18.04. So these are the versions. So you can install on it using this step. So first you have to be update the package, then you have to be install the HTTPS software common properties. Then third is a you have to download the package. For it, once you have downloaded, you have to be registered this package, and then again you have to be updated. And the last, that is a installation process. You can install this PowerShell using this command, right? And then this is the pwss command to start a PowerShell. So you can prefer this document to install on a different operating system. So this is my Ubuntu operating system on which I am going to be installed PowerShell. So I will prefer PowerShell document to install PowerShell on a Ubuntu. So I'm just now you can see this is the Microsoft official website. I will follow this step to install a PowerShell. First, I have to be update, right? And second, I have to be install this HTTPS software properties. So sudo apt hyphen get update hyphen by, hit enter. And second step, to install the HTTPS software properties, hit enter. Second step also done. Let's see third step. Third step, to download the package, right? So this is the third step. So I'm going to download this package. Copy and paste, hit enter. And let's see next step, that I need to be registered. Just copy and paste here, hit enter. And again you have to be update your package. Copy, paste, hit enter. Done. And that is the last one, installation. Copy and hit and paste, and this will install the PowerShell. The PowerShell has been installed. So let's start PowerShell pwsh. Hit enter. Now you can see this is the PowerShell interface. So let me clear first screen. So here I can write a PowerShell command, get process, hit enter. Now you can see all the process. And let me write hyphen host, right? And inside that you can type hello world, hit enter. Now you can see get hyphen date command you can also run, hit enter. Now you can see the current date.